Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Magnum. Today I am here to do Magnum's makeup. I am the professional makeup artist when it comes to his videos every day. So today I'm here to do his makeup, so stick around if you want to see that.
All right, here we go. Let's get serious. All right, I'm here today with my granddaughter, Brooke, who is a very professional makeup artist. She is the head makeup artist for Magnum Videos and Magnum Productions. And today, she has talked me into letting her do a video putting my makeup on. So I have decided to let her do that. So let's get started. Maybe she can tell us along the way what she's doing.
I have no clue if this is going to work or not, but we are sure going to try. What exactly are you wanting covered up? Like what exactly?
Just basically all the ugly.
Okay.
Get rid of the ugly and okay. Non-Kurt Russell look.
Okay, so you were talking about earlier how you wanted what? Your age spots up here.
Yeah.
And then what else? You said your nose. You said something about like the wrinkles or something like that,
yeah,
right?
just the redness and just kind of make it all look like, you know, Hollywood.
Yeah.
Like you normally do.
Okay. All right, well, I'll try. Okay, so since you have pretty dark skin.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The pretty part.
Yeah, really. I'm going to go in with my darker concealer. I'm not even going to mention brands because they're all old anyways. So I'm going to go in with my IT concealer, whatever. And it's actually in the shade Tan Golden. And I'm going to try that first. And take a bit of that.
What should I do?
You sit there and look pretty.
Okay. I'm working on it. Or you're working on it.
All right, let's think. Okay, and I'm also going to be using a silly sponge. That's what I call them, the silicone sponges. I like these sometimes when it comes to using other people's faces because it's so much easier to clean than a beauty sponge. And this one is gross and dirty anyway, so I'm not even going to mess with that. So I'm going to take a little bit of this just on the back of my hand and then the sponge. And we're going to try that first. Okay, so you said turn this way just a little bit. Face your head that way. There we go. All right, I'm just going to dab it on first.
Is this like a clay bar to get the imperfections out of your paint?
Yes.
All right.
So I'm just going to sit some of that up there. And the key to this, if this is your right color that works out right, is to just dab it on. That doesn't hurt, right?
No, it really doesn't hurt at all yet.
Yeah, it shouldn't hurt at all.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what they call beating your face. If you've ever heard
I've had my face beaten before.
Probably not like this though, right? This is a lot softer.
Yeah, just a little easier.
Yeah, this is what a lot of beauty gurus like to call beating your face, or when they say they cake their faces, is because they use a lot of, here, try not to wrinkle, there you go. Just so you don't have wrinkle foundation.
Okay.
Yeah, just keep your face relaxed. And this is what they say is caking your face or beating your face because you're constantly sitting here and this is the only motion that you're doing. It's just pat, pat, pat the whole time. And what I really should have done beforehand is put like a moisturizer or something on you.
Oh.
Just so it evens out a little bit. But
yeah.
that's not necessary. Okay, turn up this way. Let me see. This way. So I can see all along here. Try not to wrinkle your forehead.
Okay, I realized I was doing that.
It's okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I seem to have gotten most of that. And again, I have no clue how this looks on camera right now. It could look totally horrendous. But, well, because the colors, have you ever seen how, like, some girls, like, when they do their makeup, like, off camera and then they get on camera, it's just, like, crazy. Yeah. But anyways, all right, so I'm going to go in with my also IT Cosmetics brush here, and it's just a flat angled one. Don't know if you can even see that, but it's a flat angled one. And this is just some standard powder that's actually almost gone too, but it's from Ulta. And I'm going to just pat along the spaces that I use the concealer to make it a little less noticeable that there was anything there. So what the powder does is when it goes over the concealer, it kind of gives that, how would you explain it? Kind of like a less cakey look. It makes it look a little bit more fair, like skin. You're able to see your hairs through it a little bit more when you put powder on over it than versus if you just were to have like just plain concealer or foundation on. It looks really cakey and just oily, but if you use a neutral color of powder, you're able to kind of blend it out a little bit.
"10 minutes of stuff and not seen any of it."
That's when YouTubers are always like, sorry, I didn't catch it, but we're back.
Okay, so I'm back where I was.
I'm going to just blend this out a little bit with
wait,
a big...
wait.
Oh, yeah.
So many things. That's why you have a sound guy. That's why you have a lighting guy. That's why you have all those guys.
That's why you have a chip guy for when you're hungry.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. Yeah, this part you'll like because it's just nice and soft.
I like this part.
So what I'm doing now is just blending a lot of what I just did out. Just so, because that's the thing is that you keep adding and adding and adding. When sometimes you just need to kind of blend, keep your eyes shut, just so you can blend everything out. And most of the time you would only go up to your hairline when it comes to makeup. You'll see a lot of girls, they'll take their makeup and cake it like into their hairline on purpose so it, blends things together.
Do I have a hairline?
Maybe right about here.
Okay.
But, so I'm really going to make sure that it's blended up towards your head because you can obviously tell that the color right here is a lot different than the color right here.
Right.
So, in your case, if it was, like, I guess you could say like a lot more serious, where you would really need to use a lot of makeup and you're really wanting full coverage.
Yeah.
You could honestly take makeup and cover up your whole head just so everything is the same color.
Like stage makeup?
Yeah, but I don't think that's really necessary right now just because you don't need that. But okay, relax your forehead.
Will I be able to play the piano when you're done?
I think so, hopefully.
Okay.
If everything goes right, you should be able to play the piano.
Good.
And even, if you wanted to, the harp. How crazy is that?
Okay, are we in frame?
Yep, you sure are.
Okay. All right, now let me just say here real quick, in case you see a lot of jump cuts in here and a lot of stuff that isn't blended together well, it's because we've had some difficulty with the SD card causing the camera to stop recording. So hopefully we got a new SD card in now and we're going to try again. So carry on.
All right, let's see. Okay, so far all I've done is just really work with your forehead, and you said cover up the darker spots, so everything is a little bit more evened out and blended now. So turn this way just a little bit. It is a little bit hard with all these ring lights to try to figure out really what's there. I need you to step out of light every once in a while so I can really tell from all different types of lightings. But so far, I think what you were talking about is blended up top. So you'll need to kind of remind me a little bit down here of where exactly you want covered up, because what I'm trying really hard not to do is cake your face and just makeup, which I could do that and it would take away a lot of the imperfections that you're talking about, but it will make your face look really cakey and like a girl. Like how you see on a lot of like news TV reporters and they jump on and their faces are just orange,
Yeah.
I
don't want that.
Yeah, don't want that. So so far I think
I'll let you decide what looks good. You do what you think.
Yeah.
And remember that the lights that we're under right now are the lights that we'll film under. So it's whatever looks good under those lights, that's all we care about.
So far, I think everything, and I'm just going to, just for the sake of it, throw some powder.
I never have this problem.
Maybe it's only because I'm here. It doesn't want to play right now.
No, it's probably not you. It's probably jealous. It's like a little woman camera that's jealous that there's another girl on the screen. All right.
Okay, so far, really all I've done is work with his forehead and try to blend everything back into his head, basically, because as you can tell, Magnum does not have a lot of hair with us today, at least, right? Today. So, so I tried to do my best in blending without using as much makeup as I could all the way far back. So exactly, tell me again, where from, forget your forehead, from there down.
Just
where?
any imperfections that you see that look, red or puffy or whatever that could be covered up easily, that would make it look smoother and more like Robert Redford.
Okay, that works for me.
Okay,
let's see here. So I'm going to go back in with my silly sponge. It still has a little bit of makeup left on it. I did rub off the rest of it on my hand on a towel because I thought that we would take a break. So I'm going to get my concealer out and actually add a little bit more. And this stuff is really pigmented, so you don't need barely any at all. So I'm going to just put a little bit more of that on the back of my hand. Okay, sit back down one more time and let me just make sure that everything that I've done. Okay, keep turning your face just at all angles just so I can make sure. Okay, the other way. Keep going. Okay, I do see one spot of redness on one side that I could cover up. But other than that, I think everything that you're talking about is all,
okay.
it's all blended out.
All right, so how do we want to end this section of it here? Do you want to just tell everybody that do you need to do anything on my lips, or do you?
Well, I mean, you could. The thing is that you could enhance a lot of your other features, which is what a lot of people do, so, to kind of distract away from what they're trying to cover up, without actually having to do a lot of cake face cover up. You know what I mean? So, like I said before, if you really wanted to, you could get your eyebrows done, and you could even males do this sometimes, where they'll curl their lashes even.
Yeah, I don't have enough lashes to curl.
I was gonna say so they do that sometimes. Or even just chapstick will accentuate your lips a little bit and kind of brighten up your eyes. Okay. But I mean, there's really nothing.
Nothing else?
I don't think so.
Okay.
There's nothing else I would cover up.
It appears that Miss Brooke thinks that we're done.
Yeah.
So we're going to stop this session, and I'll be back in a minute, and we'll do the actual on-screen with the green screen and see how it looks. Yeah. So. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail.
And let that be a lesson too, that you don't need a lot of makeup to get what you're trying to achieve done. It really does not take a lot. So
thank you, granddaughter.
You're welcome. It's my profession. This is why I'm always here every day, right?
Yes. All right. This is it. Brooke did a lot of work on this old face, and she is very good at what she does. I hope I look better than I normally do, and I appreciate her help on this. And if you have any questions or any comments, be sure and leave those down below. And until we speak with you again, and even after that, you stay focused. That's perfect.
Like the voiceover. Oh, yeah. You could be like, oh, well, it didn't work the first time, and then you could do the voiceover of my thing.
I could.
So it wouldn't even matter what I say.
Hi, my name is Brooke. I am not from Japan. All right, this is it. Brooke did spend a lot of time.
Hi guys, welcome back to another Magnum video. Today I am here to do Magnum's makeup. I am his assistant when he comes. Hi guys. Oh man, you said keep going.